Hey everybody, George Chamberlin here, watching your dollars on this Wednesday morning. It would be the 24th of August. You know, a lot of people are looking for safe places to put their money during all the volatility and tumult that seems to be hitting all of the financial markets. And a featured story in the money section of USA Today deals with something that I've been a long time fan of. And the headline simply says, "Dividend-paying stocks get boost." Dividend-paying stocks get boost. I thought this was really a good thing to talk about right now. I've been a dividend fan for a long, long time. A lot of my own personal investments are based upon companies that pay good dividends and increase those dividends over a period of time. I want to just point out a couple of things that they highlight in this article that are worth mentioning. A rising dividend is a great hedge against inflation. You know, with interest rates so low on bank deposits and things like that, a dividend, a good quality dividend on a good U.S. company that ranges maybe 2, 3, 4%, it's pretty darn good. And if they raise that dividend on an annualized basis, that even enhances that. In other words, your income from the investment grows at a rate much faster than the rate of inflation right now in most cases. There's a group of stocks called the Dividend Aristocrats. Just go ahead and Google that, Dividend Aristocrats. And it'll give you a list of about 43 companies that have increased their dividend each and every year for at least 25 years in a row. That's pretty much as good as it gets. Raising a dividend is a real vote of confidence from a company. And it also shows that they have the cash flow to pay that dividend and also increase that dividend on a regular basis. So that kind of shows you the strength of the companies that are involved. And again, it just is one of those really important things. Back at the beginning of this year, USA Today ran an article about the fact that over the last 10 years, if you had invested in the S&P 500, let's say 10 years ago at the beginning of the century in 2000, in the 10 years that ensued, you'd really seen almost no growth on your money. The index, the S&P 500 index, 10 years later was almost exactly where it was a year ago. However, if you had invested in a portfolio of those Dividend Aristocrat stocks, you would have doubled your money during that period of time. That group of stocks was up more than 100% over that 10-year period of time. So there's no guarantee. They're not absolutely safe, but it's a place that I've found some benefits, and many others, and more people are finally acknowledging that. Watching your dollars, I'm George Chamberlin. Have a good one.